Good morning, late May in north central North Carolina. I've put out the sun umbrella. Don't think that's needed yet. We have had so much rain and it's so cool. You know, I'm encouraged because I've planted a few things. This is still a hot mess, but everything in its time. And the rain is going to help everything settle in well. Disappointed, but they're beautiful, these purple coneflowers. I had purchased an orange coneflower and it did not overwinter. It's supposed to be perennial. I have a love of reseeding, so I think I must have pulled these purple coneflowers from somewhere else. The Stelladora daylilies are looking great. They were transplanted last year, dug up and divided and put their little pocket of candy tuft. Again, the rain is going to help that settle in nicely, along with some annuals. I think I'm going to fertilize this weekend. I fertilized some, but I think we need more. The bird feeder has been very active. I've added a few more, a platform feeder. This is one that we had for the larger birds. I've been considering the moss too. I think maybe the heat of the rocks before they got really settled. I don't know. Some of them are not going to make it, but that's okay. I've got a couple of feeders. This platform feeder with dog food. That's for the crows and large birds. Anyway, it's a beautiful day. I put a lot of seeds out here. I think some are coming up. Oh yeah, look. Very nice. It's a beautiful day, even though it's chilly and rainy. Wow. So, I'll give you a different view of the new pathway. Well, we can't really see it from up here. Maybe we can see from the top of the stairs, yeah. I have a tendency to walk that way also. So that's going to be worked on after the side edge over here. The fish are doing okay. The pond is okay. I would give it a 7 right now for the water clarity. And just thank God the fish didn't die from the bee spray. Got a water lily gonna bloom soon. So again, doing some research on the best look for this, which means move the rocks. But I think that's gonna make a good pathway. So peaceful.